Welcome to my video analysis of my game, Jessen's game and Theo's game, and we're going to look at our ground strokes compared to the pros. I'm going to compare mine and Jessen's ground strokes to Roger Federer and Theo's ground strokes to Novak Djokovic. So first of all, we're going to look at a montage of our ground strokes, forehands and backhands. Here's Jess first. Here's me. And here's Mr. Theo, with his serves looking good too. And now we're going to compare our ground strokes with the pros. So here's Jess. Forehand and backhand, and Federer's backhand, forehand. And let's compare my backhand and forehand to Federer's normal speed, and then what we're going to do is you're going to see them in slow motion as well. His tee, backhand and forehand, to Novak's backhand and forehand. So again, we're going to slow it down. Well, we will eventually. So here we can slow it down. Let's compare the two swing paths and finish. Now I've taken three clips. I've taken three groups of clips from each of us where I feel like we're doing it right as best we can on the footage I have. I mean, this footage just shows actually it's a case of tweaking as opposed to a remodeling. Certain things we each have to change regards to how we produce our ground strokes. So as we watch the whole video back again one more time, here are the things we need to work on. Let's start with Jess. So Jess, sometimes on the forehand side, his lag is too far around his body, which is makes it difficult to hit the ball in front because there's a long way to go regards to the lag. He does that well in the practice, but when he does it, sometimes he takes it around too far. Hence, that's why he's one mishitting and two being late on the shot, and that's why he's hitting the back fence. So we need to work on that. Other than that, Jessen's forehands technically sound. My problem on my forehand is my lag is not far enough back, so my arm's not extended straight enough. So I have issues with hitting topspin, and that's why my shots are quite flat. Theo has a problem with his left arm. Main problem is his left arm and the fact that he rotates his upper body with his lower body at the same time like this, and when he finishes the shot, he stays in a finished position longer than he actually should. He needs to get back to a ready position and split step for the next shot. That's why he's rushed. I'm going to work on that element next time we play. So on the backhand side for Jess, I think technically he's perfect. I'd like to see his use of his knees a little bit more. Again, see Federer's explosive footwork, knees and everything. So Theo on the backhand side, it's about his right leg, getting his knee down is a key thing. We're going to see that at the end. Sometimes Theo bends his back down to get to the ball, as regards to getting down with his knees, bending his right leg into the ball. And sometimes he uses a little bit too much wrist on the backhand on the contact point. But the footage I found is when Theo's hitting it with less wrist and more a sturdy contact point with both arms almost straight, which is what Novak does, which we're going to see in a second. So here, it's a really good look at the extension. So good stretch, good take back extension. Still late though. Still needs to be in front of the body more. Watch the footage back to really look at, sort of pause it on the contact point, and you'll see what I mean. Anyway, hope you enjoy the vid. Watch it back, and pause it on key moments like take backs and on the contact points, and you're going to improve because you're comparing it with the best. All right, cheers guys.